Feld here, resetting and repairing the MX PB4 grenade. So we have the trigger and the bottom. So after everything is oiled with silicone oil, you put the trigger back. So you take the spring. So then you have to take the inner part with the two rings and you have to oil it and then stick it on the main body. So, and when you put it back, you have to take care that none of these four rings, none of these four balls is getting lost. And you can put the ball, the steel ball, only from the outside into the ring, not from the inside. So you have to be very carefully when putting it back that the steel ball won't fall out of the ring. So we screw it back. So we got a plain surface and we got it resetted and repaired. This is very easy. Johannes Christian.